The heron is a tall, elegant bird often seen standing still by rivers and lakes. With its long legs and sharp beak, it patiently waits to catch fish. One quick strike, and dinner served. Fish herons are amazing hunters and can stand motionless for hours. They spread their wings wide and fly gracefully across the sky, looking almost like they're gliding. Beautiful, calm, and clever, that's the heron. Kindly share and subscribe for more amazing videos.